Welcome to 324 Windfall Road. This awesome 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a covered front porch, 2-car garage, fenced backyard, as well as beautiful interior with luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring, as well as granite countertops and stainless steel appliances inside. Sits on a cul-de-sac street in the Windfall subdivision in Blythewood. It's convenient to I-77, Fort Jackson, as well as Northeast Columbia amenities. So, as we mentioned, you are here on the cul-de-sac, and you have a nice wide driveway leading up to the 2-car garage. You have some nice stacked stone detailing outside on the front porch, which is covered, as you can see. And step inside, you notice the beautiful luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring that runs throughout the main level. You have a small formal space here off of the front door. So sort of a large sort of formal living room or large foyer. And then you can see you have some nice detailing on the inside with the arched openings leading into the family room and kitchen, which is open floor plan on the other side. To the left here, before you get to that living room, you do have a half bathroom, as well as this really cute, I'm assuming pet area, or also could be a small reading nook area, possibly for a small child as well. Sort of just use of the space kind of beneath the stairs there. And then you do also have a coat closet here on the other side, as well as the half bathroom. So you can see a single vanity and pedestal sink. And you can sort of see into that space just a little bit better there, hopefully. And then on the way as well to the living space, we have access to the 2-car garage. As you mentioned, you have some built-in storage shelving in here. That's a sort of small vehicle coupe, 2-door coupe parked inside right now, just to give you an idea of the scale and space inside. So on the other side here, of course, you have the open floor plan main living area. You can see a beautiful gas log fireplace, nice sized room. Gets lots of natural light. You can see the door out to the backyard as well. The kitchen has a nice sized island, white cabinets, shaker style, and granite countertops, as well as the included stainless steel appliances. So there is a side-by-side refrigerator, above range microwave, it's a smooth top electric range, as well as the dishwasher. And then on this side, we do have a pantry here also. So really nice additional food storage space there, or for wherever else you need it for. And we'll take a quick peek outside. Got kind of a magnetic screen going out, but you can see a covered patio back here, which is really nice with the ceiling fan. So great place to enjoy the outdoor space, and the fenced backyard, which is a pretty nice size, and it has nice privacy fencing. So back inside, if we can keep from falling down, we'll take a look upstairs. So I have the stairs tucked back behind the, sort of back in the corner of the kitchen here. And you go up the stairwell, you have carpeting starting on the stairs. And then you can see an attic access hatch up there, might be some possible storage. You can see the space, just you have a nice window in the stairwell. And then you can see the bedrooms and bathrooms sort of laid out. So you have the primary suite here, which is a nice size. You have a ceiling fan. This does face the backyard of the home. And then you can see the bathroom here, of course, with the granite countertops as well. You have double sinks in there, as well as a nice garden soaking tub, frosted glass window, so light and privacy. And then you have a separate shower stall, as well as private water closet with a commode, a large walk-in closet. So you have shelving and hanging space running along that wall, and then tucked back here into the corner as well. But you can see this is sort of one that you could possibly fit a dresser or some other furniture or something in if you needed some additional storage space as well. And then you also have a large linen cabinet in here also. So great primary bath space. And then you have 3 additional bedrooms, as well as the nice oversized laundry room. You do have that granite countertop, folding table, as well as plenty of space for a side-by-side washer dryer. And then you have 3 additional bedrooms. So 1 room here, and you can see the closet on the opposite side. You do have actual doors on the closet, which is nice. Sometimes you only get bifolds. And then another bedroom, as you can see. This one faces the front. And then bedroom number 4. This one faces front as well. I believe all of these do have ceiling fans. At least most of them do. And you see this one actually has a walk-in closet also with a window out towards the front, in addition to the window in the bedroom itself. And then last but not least, we have our full bathroom, again with the double sinks. And then you have a nice shower and tub. And that pretty much wraps things up. So that'll be it for our tour of this home here at 324 Windfall Road in Blythewood. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.